Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change age on plenty of fish. So, in order to do this, first of all, open the POF application. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface. We'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, you will see this page where you will see the option to edit your profile and add more photos. Simply click on Edit Profile button and it will show up this page. Here you will see your name, your description, your badge, and in the basic section, you will see your age, location, height, occupation, and every other profile attributes. So you'll have to simply click on the age icon and click on this small text area. Now, you will see this pop-up that says, we use your birthday to display your age. Simply add another birth date to change your age. You can change the month, the date, and the year. After changing your age in these fields, click on the OK button. Now, click on this small tick icon at the top right side of the screen and it will show you this page where you can see the age has been changed from 22 to 23. So, that's how you change age on plenty of fish. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.